When you arrive at Step 5, you retrieve all the information from Step 3, as well as some additional data coming from Step 6, linked to Step 4. Step 5 is a verification step, aiming to ensure that you are indeed satisfied with the contradictions identified during your study. It is somewhat redundant in relation to the tab you see here in the graph. This tab is called Polycontradiction and displays the contradictions. It is very similar to Step 5 of a project. However, in this space, you are more comfortable and you have the possibility to modify. You can therefore, if you are not satisfied with the formulation of the AP's action parameters, the EP's evaluation parameters, or even the replacement or the exchange, make the necessary adjustments. At this stage, you can activate the Associate mode, which allows you, through a drag and drop system, to move a parameter and place it in the desired location. This gives you the possibility to modify the status of your polycontradictions. A quick reminder: a polycontradiction, unlike a simple contradiction, involves more than 2 evaluation parameters. In this specific case, that is not possible because you only have 3 parameters. You have a third one here, but, for example, you could choose not to add any additional parameter and to remain in this configuration. If you wish to modify something, you can do so at this stage. This step is generally very short, as it is solely a verification phase. In theory, if the work has been properly done upstream, Step 5 should produce a perfect result. However, this is rarely the case, as the graph often brings surprises. For example, if you are not satisfied with a parameter, it is recommended to return to the graph to understand what happened and why this parameter produces such results. It may be a contradiction that is incorrect, unbalanced, or poorly formulated. Once you are satisfied with all the parameters, the contradictions, and their formulation in Step 5, you can then move on to Step 6, the selection step.